Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Fidelity Titans versus Six Gun Grill. We'll dive into their recent performances, looking at their strengths and weaknesses. Our goal is to help you understand which team might have the edge in different scenarios. We'll cover their batting lineups, bowling attacks, and overall team strategies to give you a clear picture. The Fidelity Titans are known for their formidable batting order, often featuring players with impressive strike rates and consistent scoring. Their bowling unit is equally strong, with several bowlers capable of taking crucial wickets at any stage of a game. This combination makes them a tough opponent, especially when chasing large totals or defending modest scores. They often show great resilience. Six Gun Grill brings a different kind of energy to the field, often showcasing an aggressive batting style that can quickly change the momentum of a match. They frequently nurture exciting young talent who bring fresh perspectives and high energy. Their fielding is consistently top-notch, saving crucial runs and creating pressure on opposing batsmen. This makes them a very exciting team to watch. Deciding which team is definitively better is challenging, as both Fidelity Titans and Six Gun Grill bring distinct advantages to the game. The Titans often rely on experience and a solid foundation, while Six Gun Grill thrives on youthful exuberance and aggressive play. Ultimately, the stronger team can vary based on the format of the game, pitch conditions, and current player form. For more deals and to grab your little tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.